Now, this is how you can put your GoPro on a helmet. Let's get into it, right? So as you can see, we've got the GoPro right here, but how do we actually connect it? Well, by default, if you just purchase it like this, you don't really have many things in the box for the connection. So that's why you will probably need to buy some of these like mounting screws and the equipment which is necessary to mount it to your helmet, right? This is not even like a original from GoPro. It is a third-party tool, but it just works well, right? And this kind of package contains so many different like connections and stuff, which allows you to mount the camera essentially anywhere you want, right? So you have like these adhesive sticks which you can stick on your helmet there. So if I would go about it, I would just do it like this. I would just stick it onto my helmet like that. Then I would use a couple of different like, this tools to just mount it, right? To just stick it onto the helmet. And then when it comes to the connection to the camera, at the bottom, you have like these two like things which you can pop out with like the holes in it. And it might appear like it's not that firm, but it's just very steady and just very strong of a connection. And using this, you can connect it to essentially anything and tighten it with the screw, and therefore it will just stay there as long as you want, right? So it's just very useful in that sense. You will essentially use the thing at the bottom for essentially mounting it anywhere, whether it's your head or chest or anything else. You'll always use this, like the thing at the bottom, the connector there, and a screw to tighten it. So that's kind of how it works. In my personal opinion, it's best to just look up these things online and get like a pack of these extensions so you can mount it on anything you want, and that's how I would go about it. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in the next one in the future.